on that.
Hey, what's up? So today what we have here is a homemade omelet with maple sausage, cheese, bologna, anything you basically like you can put in it, onions, season up real well with some spices, cinnamon roll, buttery toast made in a pan, and then my specialty tea. Can't tell you what I put in that, but it's delicious. Hey, sweetie. Now, you don't do that, brown. With some honey, and it is absolutely going to be good. I have different versions of the omelet that I make that are healthy, like with spinach and turkey sausage and cheese and feta cheese and any type of different cheeses that you like to make it like taste good. But this one is just with whatever I had in the house. I just threw whatever I had in there and I just put it in there and made it nice and delicious. Well, I hope y'all like this video and have a blessed day.